Here is another example on conversion of whole numbers in base 3 to base 10. Let's convert 2121 base 3 to base 10. Solution. Write out the number 2121 base 3. Now the first step we have to do here is to number the digits from the back, starting from 0. Now this is what we are saying. The last digit we have here is 1. So we number it 0 on top like this. 1, 2, 3. Then we solve. Equal to, take the first digit 2, multiply it with the base 3, raise to the power of the number you have here, 3, plus, we did the same thing for the next digit, and the next digit here is 1. So you have 1 multiplied by the base 3, raised to the power of the number 2. Same thing for the next digit, plus, and the next digit here is 2. So you have 2 multiplied by the base 3, raised to the power of 1, plus the next digit 1 multiplied by the base 3, raised to the power of the numbering we have on top, 0, equal to, we have 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 3. That means we are multiplying 3 times 3 times 3. 1, 2, 3, 3 times. So 3 times 3, you have 9. 9 times 3, we have 27. So that means 3 raised to the power of 3 gives us 27, plus 1 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 2. 3 raised to the power of 2 means we are multiplying 3 2 times. 3 times 3, 1, 2, 2 times. So 3 times 3, that gives us 9. So 3 raised to the power of 3 is going to give us 9, plus 2 times 3 raised to the power of 1 is still 3, plus 1 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 0, which is 1, because any 3 raised to the power of 0 gives us 1. So you have 1 here, equals 2 multiplied by 27, that gives us 54, plus 1 multiplied by 9, you have 9, plus 2 multiplied by 3, you have 6, plus 1 multiplied by 1, you have 1. Now let's add. 54 plus 9, that gives us 63. 63 plus 6, that gives us 69. 69 plus 1, that gives us 70. So here you have 70 base 10. And that means 2121 base 3 is the same thing as having 70 in base 10. And that's how to convert a whole number in base 3 to base 10. Thank you.